Yeah, Audrey, I'll turn you how to open my Play-Doh eggs. Now can I open it?
Now you can open it. Oh, what do you have in there, Audrey? Can you show me? Turn it around. Oh, it's a princess button. And what else is in that Play-Doh egg?
Something else.
What is that?
A top or a spinner.
A top or a spinner?
Or I think it will be a frisbee. Let's call it a frisbee.
A frisbee.
And this is not building spot. And this is pick up trash. Back to pick
Oh
up.
yes, can you show me more Play-Doh eggs? Let's keep doing Play-Doh eggs.
But they can push Play-Doh eggs down.
Yeah. Let's open the next one.
So I can open next one. This is to push it down. Now time to open this Play-Doh egg. I'll open this one. See something in it. Big boot, I see. I see a big boot. Think it will be a big monster. No, it's not, 'cause look at it.
What is it?
Look.
Is there anything else? Oh, it's a little guy. Is there anything else in your Play-Doh egg?
Nope.
No. Great.
There's something is in this Play-Doh egg. I don't want to give my mixing Play-Doh egg. Let me do some soup. The yucky trash can go in here. Okay, really quick.
Here, let's just make piles. Let's move it over. All right, this one is done. And the pink one is done. All right, keep opening Play-Doh eggs.
His booty butt book. His booty butt book.
What do you have there?
I don't know.
Who's that guy?
I don't know. You have to see who he is. Took it out Play-Doh. This one is already open. And I'll play an extra spot. Right here's extra spot.
Great.
And right here's extra spot. Here's extra spot. And the toy's going this extra spot. Now it's time to open this toy. Look at this. A top magnet.
A magnet, a top magnet. Great.
Watch what I can do with this.
Oh.
No, watch this. Something else.
Wow.
It's a magnet.
It's a magnet.
Nothing else. Nothing else. And extra Play-Doh.
Okay. What's in your next Play-Doh egg?
You have to see. You have to open this Play-Doh egg up. Look.
What is it? Who is that guy?
He's a quacker.
Cockroach?
Yep, but,
Looks like a beetle.
but something else inside.
Something else in there too?
This is, what is this?
It's part of a toy.
Mm.
All right. What's in the next Play-Doh egg?
An octopus. It's bus. It's bustled. That's called he bustled.
Bustled?
Yeah. He's some kind of cappuccino with a cup. I smell ducky stuff. What's in this Play-Doh egg? Oh, it's a key. It's a key. It's key.
It's a key?
Yeah. But you cannot touch it. Only I can kiss. It's a dangerous key for kids.
Oh, good idea. I want to be safe.
So.
What is that? Show me.
I'm a coin. No.
Oh, stay here. Let's keep going with Play-Doh eggs.
But it's something goes on the ground.
It's something that goes on the ground?
Yeah.
Can you open the last Play-Doh egg and then we'll say goodbye?
No, we have to open those candies because then they can show you. Okay. Excellent. Another coin.
Another coin.
Boring.
Boring?
Yeah, kids, there's always two coins.
What's that?
See? A golden medal but it's not his family, so we had to go find golden medal family.
Oh. And is there anything else in that Play-Doh egg, or is it empty?
Okay, now let's make.
Okay.
These.
So what do you say for watching Play-Doh eggs to everybody?
No.
Say
no.
thank you.
No,
See you
no,
later.
No, couple more. Okay, this thing and this thing.
Audrey, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.